Many times, each of us is faced with a home installation project. Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni, and what we're going to talk about is installation of the common battery-operated smoke alarm. First and foremost, to mount the battery-operated smoke alarm, you want to mount it on a wall or a ceiling somewhere high where smoke is going to occur first in the event of fire. Remove the cover from the smoke alarm and place it up against the wall or ceiling where it is to be mounted, ensuring that we keep it at least 4 to 12 inches away from where the ceiling and wall meet, which is known as a dead zone, where smoke may not accumulate very rapidly. Place the smoke alarm on the wall or ceiling and mark the area with a pen or pencil. The mounting hardware that comes with a smoke alarm will include a plastic anchor for use in drywall or plaster and a screw. This surface area is wood, so the plastic anchor will not be needed. We take our hand screwdriver or our electric-powered drill or screwdriver where we've marked the hole and begin to run the screw into that surface area. We then take our smoke alarm and we place it right over top of the screw and slide it over to the thin part of the slot and continue turning the screw until the smoke alarm is firmly mounted on the ceiling and wall, and then replace the cover and put it in place, pressing the test button to ensure that it works. The common smoke alarm. Very easy installation process. I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.